What's up, YouTube? All right, today I'm gonna try to help out a dear friend of mine. His turn signal combination switch is broken on his Nissan Z350, and I think the process to do that, we're probably gonna have to pull the steering wheel and airbags and all the stuff to get to it. Okay, I'll share with us the whole process here, and hopefully it'll help out someone, because I looked up on YouTube. I don't see anyone have done that. Hopefully this will provide some beneficial to some folks out there that is looking for some instructions. Okay, we get to the video. Appreciate y'all. All right, so we got a new part here, and it is a genuine part. So this is what it looks like. Based on this, I don't think we need to pull the steering wheel, but we'll check it out. Take off the cover of the steering wheel first, and then we go from there. All right, the rain's coming down pretty good. We're gonna have to wait a little bit, be able to work on the car. All right, we look at the sky. It's pretty dark up there above us. Yeah, it's coming down really good. All right, the rain has stopped, and we're gonna try to pull this out, folks. Okay, so I'm gonna try to take out this cover first here, and I think there's a screws there, a couple of screws there, and it's just a Phillips screw. There you go. It's right there. I think there's another one here. There you go. That's two. So far here. It's two. There's another one here. Steering wheel adjustment lever here, so it's up. You can't see, so push that down, and now you can see there's another screw there. Okay, so all four together. So let me try to take that out. Alright, I think you have to pull this ring out as well here. So it's kind of slide it out just like that. And so there you go, just like that. Okay, so you kind of just open up. Alright folks, so after you undo that fourth bolt that's on the top of the steering wheel adjuster here, and just kind of put your hand in there and just kind of yank it out, see it come off just like that. Okay, and you can look at, pull the top one here. So this is what we plan to replace. So by looking at this here, we do not have to pull the steering wheel off. Alright folks, so in order to remove the top cover here, you can see my hand, the top cover here, you actually have to remove the whole instrument cluster here. Okay, so there's 4 bolts, and it's number 10. So there's one there, there's one here, one there, let's see, one there. Okay, and then coming to the other side, same thing here. So there's one there, and then there's one right there. Just follow my finger. So all right, so let me take that out and we get back to you guys. All right, so it looks like here. It's a 10. It's got 4 of those, 2 on each side. Okay. And now you can actually lift that up, just like that. Alright folks, so when you lose, after you lose up that 4 screws, you actually don't have to take out the instrument cluster. Give you enough room. Just lift that up, just like that. Lift it up a little bit there. It's good to have someone to help you. Someone lift that up like that. And then this here, just reach your hand in there. See, there's 2 tabs. There's tab here and a tab in the bottom here. Okay, and then just press those 2 tabs and then pull it out. Okay, so installation's pretty much the same. All right, so this is the old one. I just got it out here, and we'll put in a new one. Again, just the connectors right there. Just slide in. Just connect it right here. Okay. Alright, so I got new ones on the left and the old ones on the right. Okay, so we're gonna just slide that back in to there. Alright, so lift this up, give you enough room, and that should just slide back in, just like these. Just like that. You hear the click, and you're done. Okay. Alright, so it's in there now. Now we just probably put the key and test it out, make sure it works, and we go from there. Then we put the screws back in. Well, don't forget to put the screws back in. There's two bolts here, and then 2 bolts the other side, and okay, and then we put the bottom covers back up, and then reinstall the ring here for the key. All right, folks. So got all that done for a dear friend of mine, and yeah, ended up didn't have to pull the steering wheel, but we did have to remove the instrument clusters there, and a couple bolts there, and he's all set to go. All right, as always, I truly appreciate you all for all your support, and if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, I would appreciate it if you could help us out. As always, I wish you all well, and I truly appreciate you all once again, and God bless. All right.